After hearing the shampoo, let's push these two sliders up at the same time. Look at him, the juice is sticking out. Wow, reach out. I can't put my neck down. The switch looks pushed up like this. You see, the oil cylinder is lifting the car up. Oh, the wheels are off the ground? 6 big and 4 small, 10 in total, very fast, eh? Did you learn? It's so long and it's spectacular. Operation learned.